Hi, second grade scholars. This is Mrs. Noggle here. I wanted to give you a rundown for the week of April 19th through the 23rd to let you know what will be going on this week for social studies. So this week, I will be out of town administering the PSSAs to students in 3rd through 8th grade. So I will not be having my live classes for social studies, and that also goes for language arts. So in place of the class time, you will see on your calendar a link to this video to remind you of what to do, and then also a reminder to work on your assignments that are posted on the assignment checklist to make sure that they are all completed by Friday, April 23rd. That includes the Acellus. If we look at our week at a glance here, you should be working in Social Studies Acellus to make sure you are finished by Friday with step 212. And then also we are learning about immigration this week, specifically talking about a place called Ellis Island and some people and imagining what it would be like to be an immigrant and bring those things with you to a new country, a new place where you would live. So you will be watching a Brain Pop video in lesson 6.1 to 6.2 on Ellis Island, and then there is a vocabulary matching activity that you will do. On Wednesday in lesson 6.3, there is a read aloud of a book called All the Way to America, and it is a true story about an immigrant who came to America from Italy. And then in lesson 6.4 to 6.5, you will be completing a Nearpod activity called What Should I Bring? And in this activity, you're going to decide or pretend that you are an immigrant and decide what you would bring with you if you were traveling and moving to a new place or a new country. So, and again, don't forget to continue working in Social Studies Acellus. So this is for the week of April 19th through the 23rd, and I will then see you again next week for normal live classes. Thank you, everyone. Have a great week.